Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Madonna Mendoza and I'm here to present to you Install Update Operating System. So what is operating system? The operating system is considered the most important one that runs on any computer system. And also, operating system or OS is the software that enables user to run other software or applications on a computer. And the OS is also responsible for managing a computing device's hardware resources. So, we have here the hardware devices resources. The first one is the input devices, which are mouse, keyboard, and webcam. For output devices, we have monitor, printer, and projector. And for network devices, there's a modem, router, and server. For storage devices, we also have the internal and external hard drives. In updating operating system, computer owners all have their different preferences when it comes to updating their computers. It could be automatic updates, manual updates, or hit ignore because everyone has a habit. So why are software updates so important? We have here the top reasons why you should keep your operating system and software up to date. So the first one is computer security. If most of your life is stored digitally, it only makes sense that you takes the extra steps to secure your system. Certain viruses and malware can hold your computer from ransom or wipe out your system. Updating your operating system also patches and any security holes and vulnerabilities which can be used for malicious attacks because according to Microsoft, about 50% of online adults were victims of cybercrime and 1 in 5 small to medium businesses have been targeted. And the next one is enhanced compatibility with applications. So, updating the Windows operating system will ensure that your problems will run properly and not run into any compatibility issues. If your operating system is outdated or you just keep on skipping those annoying alerts, there's a good chance that your installed program will just stop working. Another one is don't miss out on new and exciting features. Software developers constantly think of ways to include new features that can make the user experience a lot better. For example, Microsoft added new features for the Windows 10 update such as the ability to send an Android text messages from your PC, the snip and sketch feature, and dark mode. And for the last top reasons why we should update our operating system is don't forget your device drivers. As mentioned, the OS is the manager for the system's hardware resources. As with OS updates, it's also important that you keep your device drivers up to date because updated drivers can lead to problems such as unstable system, unresponsive hardware, underperforming or slow devices, and system errors. So keeping your software updated can help the OS run smoothly. In fact, not updating your computer can slow the machine down as much as not updating your operating systems will. In some cases, hackers were able to get into business systems and steal private information about customers because someone had just hit ignore on software update messages. So we have here the ways on how to update your operating systems, Windows operating systems. Setting up an automatic update on your Windows PC's OS only takes 2 simple steps. So, number 1, we have here the start by clicking on the Start or Windows button on your PC screen and type in Windows Update in the search bar and then press Enter after. And for the number 2, click the Change Settings option, choose Install Updates automatically and click OK to finish. Once the PC's OS is updated, it will require a reboot. Once the automatic updates are set up, you will not have to manually update them every single time. So, we also have the update your Mac OS. Kung sa mga yayamanin, ang gamit ay Mac, Apple. So, here's the ways on how to update your Mac OS. So, the first one is click on Systems Preferences in the Apple menu or Apple icon. Then, click Software Update to check if there are any available. For the next, if there are any available, click Update Now. If you don't see any updates available, your PC is up to date. You'll also see the option to set up automatic updates. And sometimes, a screen telling you when new software updates from Apple are available will appear on its own. In this case, all you have to do is check the boxes on the updates you want and click install. So, ayun. Meron tayong sample dito. So, meron siyang available na 2 items for install. After updating your operating system or Windows system, your drivers may not be running properly since they were installed on a different operating system. So the first and most important step after installing a new version of Windows, whether it's from the update or a fresh install, is to get all your drivers up to date to ensure that your internet, monitors, temperature control, and other necessary components of your computer are functioning properly. People are storing all kinds of information on their home computers that can be leveraged and abused by hackers to do serious harm. Make sure that doesn't happen to make by keeping your operating system up to date. So it is very important to update your operating system for safety purposes and for the lifespan of your gadget as well. Thank you and God bless. Yun lang.